Jackie, all your friends are waiting for you. There's the crew that's locked up so they don't make him run around. Wish. Poster child for insulin resistance. Bella. DSLB superstar. Doc. Ducky. Hey, sweetheart. And there's Jack. Let's see if we can get him to move some. You could tell me if he's working too hard to break over. Jack! Jack! Jackie! 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 Come on! Come on! Tap him on the butt with the broom. Come on! Come on! Come on, big butt. Come on. Good boy. Squeak, squeak. Is that because they're new? There we go. The shavings pile. Stifle's clicking like mad. Good boy. Come on, Jackie. Come on, Jack. Push him off again. Come on. Come on. I know. Come on, Jack. Nice butt shot. Come on. Come. It's okay. Relax. I'm not chasing you. A lot better on the turns. I've honestly never seen a horse with hoof boots on before. I don't know how hard. It's supposed to look like they're kind of digging in a little to break over. I guess it's better or worse than limping. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Go across the cement. Go on. Go across the aisle. Now, if he went from sand to cement without these boots on, he would be stumbling hard. Good boy. Don't eat Ariana's shoes. Come on, Jackie. Come on. Kind of hay cube. Come on. And that's an exciting video. Kind of makes you wish you'd never responded to that PM. I'm kidding. All right, Jack.